Hi everybody, I'm back. I haven't done a video in like probably like a few months. I'm gonna be consistent with this, okay? But I'm just super busy, so I'm gonna make time for this. I'm gonna keep a schedule of Monday and Fridays where I post. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification button. I might not be able to post on one of those days. I might be able to post a different day, so I would just, you know, keep your notifications on just in case. Okay, so today is gonna be a review of the new Lash Couture Naked Drama collection from Kiss. I couldn't find the one that I usually get, and I seen these and I was like, these are hecka cute, so I had to try them out. I am gonna review 2 of them today. There's more than just these 2. I think there's like six in this collection, if I'm correct. I think it's 6. So today I have 2. I'll post the other ones on Monday if I can find them, because I got these at Walgreens and there was only 2. So the two lashes I got right now is Veil and Eyelet. Right now I am actually wearing the Veil. Let me see if I can. They're hecka cute. I hecka like these ones. Like, I'm just like, these are my new go-to lashes. Like, they're hecka cute. If you would like to see how I put my eyelashes on, you can watch my last video. It's of how I apply my eyelashes underneath my eyelids. I'll put the link in my description below. But yeah, these are the Veil, and they just look, I don't know, they're just hecka cute. I like them like a lot. Like, they're they're like my go-to now, and just look at them. Like, oh my gosh, I just cannot. They're just like, they're not too much and they're not too little. Okay, this right here is the one that I have on my eyelashes right now. Okay, so I'm gonna take these off, and then I'm gonna put the Eyelet ones on just so you guys can see it. That I've never tried these ones. I've only tried the Veil, but I've seen reviews on just all of their collections and they're just all cute. Watch my other video on how I do it, because this right here I'm not gonna explain. I think I'm just gonna fast forward it. Alright, so this one right here is the Eyelets. I think these are cute. These are like just like not too much. They're very thick. Yes, it's like a regular day. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, they're cute. Yeah, they're cute. That's what I'm saying. This whole collection is just, man, I do like the Veil better, of course, because those ones I just like not too much. I mean, the Veils are really cute, but these ones are just a bit shorter and not that wispy, but just very thick. So that's really cute. Yeah, these eyelashes are great. I can't wait to review the other, I think 4 lashes, just because I love lashes. And if you guys have any recommendations of what other brands I should be trying, please comment below, because I do want to review them, and I give seriously honest reviews. Like, I'm not gonna lie about no lashes or glue or anything like that, because I hate clicking on that video. That is just you just buy the product and it's just nonsense. Like, I am not getting paid for this yet. Nobody is sponsoring this video. It's just what I use. Thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe and put on those notifications so you guys know if I'm able or not to post, and when I do post. You know, keep yourself updated. Let me know if you have any ideas for videos. I have a full list, so I'm ready to go. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.